How's everybody doing? I'm Charles and welcome to Fish Hook. Today we're going to do a rod review on the Toadfish rods. I did a review once, an unboxing, and I really liked them. So now I said I would do a follow-up review. So we'll cast this out and see how it goes. All right. Now we're going to walk the dog. Let's see how it goes. I like the action so far. Very nice. So far, very responsive, and I'm very impressed with this. All right, take up your slack and work it back. Very nice. Very nice walking the dog. If you guys can see it, I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's a winner. I think I'm going to be using these rods quite a bit. They've got about 4 or 5 models, but very impressed. Yeah. They pick up weeds too. Yeah. That's pretty common. So that was the top water. It's a little bit windy, but I'm going to put a little jig on. All right, what I'm going to test it with is a standard little fluke bait. This is a 3/16 ounce jig head with a snap swivel and some bead just for color. But this will fish this way, and it has the forked tail, which is typical of a fluke bait. So it's a light presentation. I'm going to cast it out, let it sink, and hop it along, and we'll see how well this does. Let it go down. I can feel it picking it up when you take up the slack, just enough that I can feel it lob up and down on the bottom. It's just lobbing. Very nice. Yeah, I'm going to get hung up here if I don't watch it. It's got a little bit of grass on it, but this is going to give it a good test on what it can do. Let it, as it goes down, give it a little bit of a twitch. Oh yeah, it's got nice responsiveness. I like that. Good sensitivity in the tip. I like it. I'm going to give it another cast. Let's get some of this grass off of it and weeds. Okay, let's do it again. Cast very nice. Very nice. I'm just lobbing it out there. Take up your slack. This time I'm just going to bring it back up, getting to the bottom. Very, very nice. So I'm impressed with this. You guys will not go wrong with a Toadfish rod. This is an all-around rod. It's got a very cool, let me lower this down a little bit here, I'll show you. I told you about a hook keeper right here on the reel. Underneath it is a hook keeper plus, and then you've also got a hook keeper right here on the rod. I'm going to put it down here. I like this. going to hold it. And very nice. This is a cool setup. So I like this. I like this a lot. It's a nice responsiveness. So you guys won't go wrong with a Toadfish rod. This one you can use saltwater or fresh. It's got salt-proof guides here. These are all stainless steel, one piece. Very, very strong construction, and it's all carbon rod, no graphite, that it won't break when you drop it down in the ground. But I think you'll be very happy with this. So look it up on Amazon or toadfishoutfitters.com. And if they're still selling them, they were $100 a piece across the boards. And for me in Nashville, Tennessee, it was only $17 shipping, so $117 delivered. I like it. Nice feel, nice balance. I'm using a, just threw a reel on it today, a 4,000 reel. I think it's an overkill. This really only calls for a 3,000, maybe even a 2,500. You can get away with. It's a beautiful rod, beautiful rod. So thank you for joining me with this and watching this. I think you guys will be very satisfied. And please let us know. Our email is fishhook2019@gmail.com. Send me an email, send some pictures. We'll post them on Instagram. Let me know your thoughts on the rod if you guys do buy one. And you never know, maybe one day we'll cross paths. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. And you guys have a really good time out there fishing. Thank you.